Alright, look, I love a good detail and I love details a little too much. And you as well may identify with this ailment. So let's get way too close and let's geek out over the oh so inconsequential details. Today's subject is the X166 with the Designo leather package. And I'm telling you, in real life, you can't see the dust on that badge, only on camera. And you know what? This Benz was made in Alabama and it shows. Look where the rubber seal meets. That's the cut point that they chose right above the badging. And on the other side, it's in a different spot. You know, it starts with good intentions, but it never ends well. You know, I should have Googled the solution. This footwell looked cleaner in real life. Even the floor mats get that Designo leather trim. Hey, salt stains, you use a little vinegar. The hard plastic base of these seats is disappointing. So what you do is you shine it up. One of the pillars of polishing turds. You see how this corner wasn't shined up? You see the difference. Day and night. But the transition is not graceful. It's uptown girl meets downtown scumbag. Look, it's just me, it doesn't really matter. I really like this shot. It shows all the surfaces and the different stitching styles, and there's a lot going on here. But when you look really close, you know, I thought this was clean. And when you really look, you realize that the nice perforated pattern on the leather is just pores of dirt and bacteria. Ugh. Look, if you don't know exactly where the ambient lighting for your door handle is, do you really know your car? And also the transition between the curved veneer and the plastic housing is not that graceful. You know what? The contrast piping and the color combo, if you saw the regular, you'd appreciate the difference. Is it worth the money? Listen, unless it's funny, you're better off picking up a couple shares of Amazon. It's clean, but it's not really clean. I like this though. The back of the front seats, properly leather wrapped, no hard plastic. I'm telling you, I am losing my mind. Look, it's not the dirt that kills me. It's the dirt that's impossible to reach. You know, when you get this close for too long, you just start thinking, what's the point? And hey, don't forget the in-between areas. This part here, you've seen it on a lot of Benzos and a bunch of Teslas. Chryslers as well, I don't know. You've seen them everywhere. Look at this shot. I just like how there's so many different materials just coming all together. Here's the thing. I just microfibered this. The vents will never be clean. Never. It's impossible. Just don't look. And this? Oh, it looks clean. Sure, it looks clean. A little bit of bubbling. But you know what? Yeah, it's kind of out of sight from the driver's point of view. Look, when you know it's there, you know it's there. It's not a big deal at all. All right, the airbag cover being all hard plastic is a letdown, but once again, you give it the shiny shine, and you know what? You can live with it. I should have done a before and after. Glossy black finish. You know, sure, we're getting good detail here, but you know what? It's not enough. Open pored wood veneer trim, a $300 option, a no-brainer. Ah, the child seat. All right, let me tell you, this camera does not do the Alcantara justice. A very nice feature of the Designo leather package. And yeah, this is just a thin mesh, but let me tell you, if it was a thicker material, it'd be too dark. All right, let's take a break. Let's zoom out. Just enjoy the big picture. Look, the results are dramatic. It feels good doing it. When you step back, it looks okay. And look, have some civility. If you're gonna put these seats in, get some protection. So be sure to give a like, because this is a nice little channel called
Daniel Kahn, K-O-N, who apparently makes automotive YouTube videos. Shout out to you, Daniel.
And everybody, how about a hand for the Peter Jacks Band providing the inspiration for this nutty video. And join me next time when we get even closer and show some real love to the W222, my neglected baby sweet.